The United States and India are negotiating for a free trade agreement for the last several months. What we learned that America is pressurizing India to open the market for their dairy, for their soybeans, for their maize, and also for their seed sector. India is accounting for the 3% of the global maize production. Small and marginal farmers are producing maize in India. 2,400 rupees being fixed as a minimum support price per quintal to the maize in India. But the farmers are realizing 600 to 700 rupees less than that of the MSP in different states. Karnataka stands for the largest maize production in the country. North Karnataka farmers, South Karnataka farmers are protesting and demanding the government of Karnataka to open up the procurement center for the maize produce. In this situation, what we learned that India is accepting the demands from the United States to open the Indian market to import maize from United States to produce ethanol in India. Earlier, it was promised to the Indian farmers that ethanol will be produced from the maize produced in India. If this happens, it will be a death knell to the maize production in India as it happened to the oil seeds in the past. Similarly, small and marginal farmers, 15 crore families are producing milk with backyard milk production. We are standing as the largest milk producer in the world. What we learned from the news reports that American dairy products will be allowed to be imported to India. We demand the government of India, we demand the Modi ji Sarkar not to allow agriculture to be part of any free trade negotiations. Keep agriculture out of India-US negotiations.